Awesome, I have to watch an ad before I can see a preview of my own stream on Twitch. This is just amazing. Some genius must have thought of that. Okay, so last time I was working on the Arkanoid clone using LÖVE and LÖVE framework. I did play with it a bit to like make it use the physics engine from this framework. So it's kind of broken right now. It does very weird things. Today I will be working on something completely new. I will be just doing some random physics stuff to just learn how to use that engine because I guess it's gonna be easier and faster to just use that in my game prototype instead of trying to implement everything from scratch. Although on the tutorial page it does say on the tutorial page that where is it? Not tutorial, maybe. No. Yeah, LÖVE physics on the module side. That it's not a lightweight thing, and it's not even remotely simple to use. So that doesn't seem to be a good start. But I'm gonna try anyway. I'm really bad with like collision detection and physics handling, so this should help quite a lot. I'm a better programmer than like physics person. Okay, so I already have this project set up where I have those two libraries, game state and middle class. Game state is for handling states of games so that I don't have to do that manually. I can just switch between states. And middle class, which basically does object-oriented programming. It allows you to do inheritance, creating classes and so on. So that's cool. And the main Lua and conf Lua files that you can see on screen. Nothing here really. Just include the classes, just include the libraries, set random seed and start registering events. Nothing happens here. So I may actually start without any of those two. So I'm gonna comment them out, and those two as well. Just try to make some simple physics thingy. I don't know, like a bouncing ball. This seems to be what the tutorial does, so it may be a good place to start. So it turns out there's quite a lot of stuff that I have to set up in order to make this thing work. I have no idea what this set meter does. It doesn't seem to affect anything in any way because you still use pixels to define everything. Just kind of weird. Maybe it's for the densities later on. But then again, why not just use pixels as a reference? But yeah, since I have no idea what it does, maybe it actually does something useful. So let's set it to 64 pixels as in the tutorial. Gonna create a new world. So as far as I understand, world is like a wrapper for all the physics, for all the entities we want in there that we want to interact with each other, and we can advance it with the time deltas like we do with every other thing, and it does all the collisions and all the force resolutions. and it allows you to set gravity in like any direction and of any size. I have no idea what the true does at the end. I did check it, but I don't remember. New world. Whether the bodies in this world are allowed to sleep. Whatever that matters. Whatever that means. Okay, so we're gonna have standard gravity, just like we had in the tutorial. And yeah, sure, let's set it to true. Why not? So we're gonna have the objects. I'm not using middle class at this point, so it's going to just be a table of things. So I create object ground, be an empty object, and now everything in the world needs to have a body and a shape, and then a fixture that combines the two into one thing. So we create the body ground for the ground, and this is done with LÖVE physics new body. We give it the world and the point at which it should show up in the world. So we have world, let's say it's going to be LÖVE graphics, get width -50. Oh, it anchors from the center. I see. So yeah, I guess it can be, this is going to be the height. So divide this by 2 for the x coordinate, and then for the y, actually the brackets. And for y, we're gonna have LÖVE graphics get height, let's say -50. And now we create shape for that. It's gonna be a rectangle. And this is called the rectangle shape. So the body, as far as I understand it, sets where the mass where the center of mass is, and now we add new shapes to that. They're centered around it because we have uniform distribution of density, as far as I understand. So it's gonna have width of the entire screen and height of 100. And now we need the actual fixture. Objects, small objects. Fixture that merges the two together. It is certainly difficult to fit it all in 80 characters. Shape. And I called this one body instead of shape. Okay. So this is load. We also need update. And all this is going to do is update the world. So you probably should have like doesn't seem like any outside. So that's gonna just call the world. update is the same time content and nothing else. And then drawing, we'll just draw the ground. I probably should have set the background color and the colors. So we're gonna have black background and everything else is gonna be white. Is there a way to reduce bitrate? Well, I am not losing frames, so this has to be on your side. Or maybe the Twitch servers, there's nothing I can do about it. I mean, I could reduce the quality of the video that I sent to the server, but that would mean that you get lower quality of the video, and I would probably have to increase the size of the font. It's already smaller than my screen, so it's not on my side. I'm not losing any frames. So if anything, it's either Twitch servers or your side. Unfortunately, we don't get transcoding because I don't get transcoding because I'm like, yeah, 2 viewers, maybe 5 at a peak. Which is kind of a shame because it's difficult to stream coding, to stream programming in low resolution. But like, I'm never gonna get transcoding if I have people who can't watch my stream because it's choppy. Which seems to be happening quite a lot. It's a vicious cycle. Fill should actually be a string. I mean, it's 720p, the resolution I'm sending, and it should be, yeah, like, it's definitely not on my side because I'm not losing any frames. Like, at least OBS doesn't show me losing any frames. And if anything didn't get from me to the server, I would get an information about it. So it's somewhere else, unfortunately, outside of my control. So we fill the rectangle and we draw it wherever that object is in the world. How do we take that? How do we get that? Oh, we actually do that with the polygon. Well, yeah, that's the point. Like, it's 720p. My monitor has a resolution. Well, it has a resolution of 1920 by 1080, but I have to downscale it, and for it to look good, I had to make the font bigger. If I made the quality even smaller, I need to make the font even bigger, and there is even less space on screen. So that kind of sucks. That would... I mean, I don't know, I could... No, I think 720 is like the lowest I should probably go. So we fill the polygon. Get world points from objects, ground, shape, get I mean, the stream, the recording of the stream is going to be available on Twitch after I'm done. And then if it's not live, you can wait for it to buffer and you're not going to have those pauses. And that should make things easier. Obviously, it's nicer if you're here while I'm streaming. But if it's not possible to watch it live, then there is still recordings on Twitch that you can watch later. Apparently they disappear after 2 weeks, so I'm gonna have to think about moving them to YouTube. But for now, the recordings from last week and recordings from this week are also gonna be available on Twitch on my channel. Just go to past broadcasts. Yeah, I could reduce the quality of the video that I sent to Twitch. The point is that if I reduce it, that means the resolution is going to be lower, the fonts may be unreadable. I'm going to have less space to put stuff in. If there are like if there are like 50 or 60 viewers, Twitch sometimes enables transcoding on the stream, so even if I send a bigger resolution video to the servers, you can get a lower quality video, so that if you have slow internet or something, you can still watch it without any of those random pauses. But yeah, we don't get transcoding, like I said, because 2, maybe 3 viewers at a time. That's not enough for Twitch to bother. It actually does require more server resources. So I kind of understand why that is. Yeah, so that's gonna draw our ground. And I should have set that to before. Yep, so we have the ground on the bottom. Cool, and it's not gonna move, so it's fine. Now we have the ball. And again, this needs a body. And it's again gonna be fixed in our world, in the middle of the screen. Two. And we need a shape as well. The bitrate. Oh, that may actually solve it. I did reduce the resolution, but I don't think I reduced the bitrate. Oh, let me try that. Although I don't know what would be the proper value to set it right now. Let me have a look at it. Yeah, let's try reducing that. So I'm gonna have to restart the stream. So let's set it to this. Oh no, it does go down. Yeah, I think I don't actually have to restart it. It just went down. Let me know if anything, if it gets any better. If it does, that means I screwed something up. And then I'm sorry, it was actually my fault. Despite what I was saying before. Sorry, I'm new to streaming. I was pretty sure it's not my fault. May have been wrong. Then if we want a circular shape, then we call it new circle shape. Seems obvious. No, that doesn't get world anymore, that just gets the size. No, it's just gonna be like 50 or something. And the fixture for that as well. Oh, and this should be dynamic. Yeah, and the fixture well, if there are no random pauses, then yeah, it was my fault. I'm sorry. I'm glad it was resolved too. Yeah. Thanks for noticing and for like forcing me to actually look into it. New fixture. And that's gonna go get object ball body and object ball shape and a magical number of 1, which is the density. And I'm gonna get graphics, circle, fill, and that we draw. How do you get those? Get X, get Y, and get radius. Body or shape? Body. Get X, objects, body, get Y, and objects, ball, shape, get radius. Seems fine. Let's see how it works. Object minimum value 931. Objects. Try again. Wow, it worked. What? Look, it goes down. Awesome. It doesn't bounce. To make it bounce, I have to set restitution on the fixture. And that should be 0.9. Yes. Fixture expected good number. Oh, obviously. But it bounces. Wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. So little code, so much fun. Also, by the way, thanks for the follow, because I have like just noticed to follow. Okay, now let's try to make it move to the sides. if LÖVE keyboard is down right, then else if LÖVE keyboard is down left and left. And if it's right, then we do objects call. Oh, which one? God damn it. I think body. Column, but I don't remember how it's actually called now. Apply force. To the right. Otherwise apply it so it goes to the left. Wow, it's actually going to the right and to the left. Very slowly though. I mean, I did set it to quite a small value. Awesome. And if I press up, no, let's just make those bigger for now. Okay, let's make it jump. Probably get smaller restitution. 1.3. Oh, awesome. Seemed to have disappeared from the screen. Oh, it fell down the ground. Fell off the ground because it ends as the boundaries of the window end. So it just fell off the world. But let's let it jump as well. And this will apply force. I have no idea. 981 and 64. Like, it's probably not gonna move it at all, is it? Yeah. What if I set it to 800? No, this is working. Oh, it's more away. Is it? Let's try something huge. Whoa, it's jumped. Haha. Awesome. Quite high. Thus I can keep it as much as I want. I'm just gonna just go up and up. Just gonna come down. I mean, it might have not been going. Like, oh, it did come down. Although it may fall off the world. Fall off the world now. Oh, here it is. It did almost fall off the world. Let's make it go faster than the sides. I don't like how slow it is. Whoa! Fell off. Awesome. Okay. And we could also have here because I'm tired of grabbing the mouse every time. This is better, a little better. And I grab the mouse afterwards to do something else. Oh, okay. Probably should not let it do that unless it's touching something, like on the bottom. But yeah, how do I actually do that? There was a tutorial, I think, on physics. Physics, collision callbacks. Yep. Okay, I think this is the time where I put everything in classes because it's gonna get very weird. It's gonna get very weird. Okay, so and we're gonna create objects. Maybe make there first. Objects and open objects. And now ball equals class ball. So we want center and the radius, and it's gonna do all this crazy stuff. Instead of objects ball body, it's gonna be self body. Here we're gonna get xy, better. Now here we're gonna have self, here self body and self shape. And 1 at the end. Restitution seems fine for now. Okay, so we don't need that anymore. I'm just gonna have objects ball equals ball. What are the values? XY, love graphics. Get width divided by 2. Love graphics. Get height divided by 2. And don't need any of that. But we do need to require objects. Does the function call draw? Update. No, we don't need that. Actually, do we? Nothing to do for now. Key pressed, we need key pressed. And here do all this crazy stuff. Except apply this to self body. Awesome. This stays here. And now draw. We need draw here as well. Don't we? Draw, which does this. Except again here it's gonna be self. Okay. And so we're just gonna put objects drop. Attempt to execute call. Where? 7. Yeah, self. That. Global object value objects. I'm doing that mistake way too intense. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be moving now though. Is it suppressed? Suppress? No idea. Down. I'm gonna have to check in the Arcanine one time. Check this. Oh, it's in the game still. Okay. I can't actually do that here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do. I guess that's okay. And here update the ball as well. Same time quantum, even though it doesn't really matter. Yep, that's fine. Let it fall. Good. Okay, that's fine. So fine. Now we need an object for ground. Let's say it's going to be boundary object. And it's going to have an initialize function. And we want to have probably want to have orientation. No. Yeah, orientation. No, position and offset, because it's going to be a screen boundary. So I want it to be at the edge of the screen, maybe like offset from that edge. So I will position and the offset. So if position is equal to top, then else if position is equal to bottom, then else if position is equal to left, then else if position right, and okay. And then the fixture actually doesn't depend on any of that. The self body, self shape. So we need body and shape in here. Okay, so top and bottom, self shape is going to be new rectangle shape. New rectangle shape, not physics, new rectangle shape. Physics, new rectangle shape. And that's going to have, if it's top and bottom, then it's going to have the width and the offset divided by 2. Is it going to be offset divided by 2? No, just offset. And same for bottom. Case of left is going to be offset and then get height. And the same in case of right. And now as for the position of the body, if it goes from the top, we're gonna have world, obviously. I also needed to pass it the world, don't I? I should do that in the ball as well. So like it doesn't get tied to that global variable. Because I may want to have fewer rows, not just one. Set and then use the global variable of the graphics here. So it's going to be in the middle and then offset by 2. If it's from the top, then it's just going to be offset by 2. At the bottom, yeah. All the code duplication. It's from the left. So actually goes here. It's gonna be from the left. I'm gonna have this, except get height. And here I'm gonna have this, except with, it's gonna be get width, here it's gonna be get height. So that's bad. I'm gonna have to refactor it later, but for now it's fine. Let's make it draw, and it's just gonna be this. Because why would I bother with anything else? Anything else I need? No. So I'm gonna actually have this as a boundary on the top and the bottom. So size 100. I don't need to update it, but I would want to draw it. And I also need to require it. It's fine. It'll work. Oh, a global new fixture. What is it called? Did I make a typo? Shh, no one saw that. Okay. That's good. Oop. Okay, I can have the boundary on the left and right as well. Very narrow and right wall. Can I go through all of those without actually having to like awesome, and now I can't go there. Right. I actually make the boundary of the bottom smaller as well. And now one at the top. Cool. Okay. Now I should probably try making it so that it can only jump if it's touching the if it's touching the ground. Because right now it can do it whenever. If I'm in the air, no one cares. I can jump as well. Which is wrong. So I'm gonna have the collision callbacks for the ball. How do I set those? Oh. This seems wrong. This will also let it jump any given point, isn't it? How do I access the thing? How do I access the object? like my actual object, not just the body. This is starting to get ridiculous, right? Okay, let's check in the documentation what the body can handle. Oh, this can be anything. Oh, that's good. Okay. So I can do self body, set user data, B, do whatever I want. Self is false, that's true. I'm just gonna hit self. It's good enough. Contact. Now I just have to create those functions. Contact. B. Awesome. I also need no, I know. Does the middle class thing actually give me access to the type? Let's have a look at that. How do I check this? I just check. Cell with plus. See? That was easy. So if a class equals ball, and B class equals boundary, then A touches ground equals false. And B class equals boundary, and B see, I have to set it. Yeah, self position equals position, and B. No wait. What's the call thing? What does that let me see? Because I don't actually need to know whether it's a boundary or not. I just need to know whether A is above B. Should let me, right? It'd be kind of stupid if it didn't. Contact object. Get separation. No. It's touching. Earth friction. Oh. Normal vector between two shapes. Get position. That should help. Get positions. Second contact point. I see, okay. Okay, so if A is class, then if A is ball, then I don't really care about what the other thing is. Just care about the collision position below the ball. So with collision, get positions, it's gonna be x, y. And if I just really want the y, the way y is greater than a, body. Shit. What does the get world points do give me? It is difficult to actually work with that. They weren't lying. It's not that easy. Body get x, get y, and shape get radius. Okay. Body get x, a body plus a shape get radius, and a touching, how do I call that? Touching ground, touches ground, equals to true. Else it equals to whatever it was, so I don't change it. And for the end contact, I don't think I actually need the radius, it just has to be, and obviously that the y of the get position, the y of the collision, just has to be below the center of the ball, then we're touching ground. Yes. Is it possible to like get all the contacts here? I would have to add it. I have to add it. I mean, probably more difficult than I actually want to do anyway in my game. So I guess it's fine. I can just like hack it in, however it works. So end contact is gonna mean that this is gonna be false. We'll call it previous data point. No, I can't do that. So I need a function for x. Return self will be. Actually, I'm going to do y for now. And for set touch. Self. This thing. So maybe I actually it was this that it was complaining about, yeah. Okay. And self touches. No. Get why. Yeah, so I guess I need to do it the other way as well. So when B is the ball, that is kind of, yeah. Yeah. So more difficult than I expected. And that's not even a thing. I mean, yeah, if it says it's always touching ground, it's fine. If I set it to false, say I'm just gonna go with whatever, and yeah, A touches ground, true, B touches ground, false. Okay. Whatever makes it work. Typo line 56. It's not line 56 anymore, is it? Which line 56? Here. No. You need to tell me which file. Why? Hey, complicate why? No idea which line you're talking about. Let's do it this way for now. No, I expect it's a 1 year if. Get user data. Is that it? No. That is it. Yeah, because this is the. Oh, it's from. Why is it? It's like no. Let's just try doing this. Get user data class would be get user data class. Temperature indexable value. I see. Okay. I don't have user data set for the ground. a nil. Oh. What the hell? Why doesn't it let me do anything? Is like this not allowed in LÖVE? When like local a data a get user. Trying this or something. No, that seems fine. It's a problem with the user data. Why is it nil? Self shouldn't be nil here. In any case, it shouldn't. Okay, I'm initializing it to something. If I set it to 5. Now, this can be nil. Nil value. Why does it say it's a nil value? I mean, there is no other body I'm using. I'm setting all the user data on the bodies to something. Why is it nil? It's like literally nothing on it here. These are like more threats than one. Doesn't seem like it. Why is it wrong? I have literally no idea. Physics told us. Where does it set it here? Okay, we have set user data here. Is it the fixtures that I'm getting? Is it the fixture? Oh, that was a bit. I think it's a bit. Yep. Now, why is it not setting it the correct value? What if I delete those? Okay. Is there a way to like open the console? Or something. Because this is getting ridiculous. I have no way of debugging this. System. Well, if there is anything in here, it's going to be in the conf file, isn't it? What typo? I have no idea what was the typo. Where was the typo? Like seriously, I have no idea where the typo is. Is it still here? Because I don't even know which file it was in. I fixed something. It's not breaking. It's not crashing anymore. That's a success. Kind of, sort of. Less. Yes, I know. It says typo 956, but which file? I have no idea which file. And it's probably not in line 56 anymore, because the only line 56 that I have is here, and it's empty. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe like there was a typo that he noticed and I fixed it before I even got the message or something. I have no idea. I have no idea where the typo was. Let's see. Should I be doing this instead? Single quotes. What's the difference? No, that doesn't help. Yeah, I need some way of like is there any way to get it print out stuff to some kind of console? Because oh, there you go. Okay, but how do I write in it? Print. Awesome. And I need to change the conf file because that's apparently not this console. Awesome. Class boundary. Oh my god. It's class ball and class boundary. this is some higher level stuff. Maybe. Pass ball. Still not that. Where's it set? It's not set. Close. Wait, table. Table, you say? What type of that? Table. This helps. And here's the typo in 46. Maybe should I check for instance of this is an 8. So all yes. So is it still like this is instance of golf? This way is going. It works. It works. My time machine works. Awesome. Okay, that's a start. That's a start. So now, if a collision get collisions, was it? There's too much of it now. What that gets positions, not points, positions. So now if y is greater than a get user data b get y, then exactly the same here. Instead would be in here exactly the same, but with false. I have to compare number with nil. Ha! Ha. Wait, I shouldn't be comparing those. Should I? Oh, there's the comeback here. That's wrong, completely. Say that if a get user a is a fixture, how can I get the body of a fixture? Fixture, get body. Get y is higher than the get body get y, then we set a get user data dashes ground false. Otherwise, get those set b. Nope. Well, this makes things a lot easier. This level is done. Perfect. Now it works. Wait, why this way? Because the Y is flipped, obviously. It's growing downwards. Okay. Now I have to figure out the way. I thought it may be too long. Yeah. I should probably here be like making a queue of things that are touching this object, like adding it adding one to the other. Like, each of them should have a list of things that it touches, and on beginning of contact I should add them to those lists, to each other's lists, and on the end of contact I should delete it. And this logic should probably go inside the ball. Shouldn't be here. If there's anything it touches that's below it, then it can jump. Otherwise it can't. Yeah. Yeah. Although I will probably be finishing stream for today soon anyway. I'm just gonna fix the ball so I can jump at the same time as I go to the sides. And I can jump higher maybe, that would be fun as well. Oh, that's too much. Let's do it this way. Yeah, see, I can jump here, so that's good. I can only jump if I touch the ground. Awesome. Works as it should. Okay, maybe I'll add an obstacle. Just like one last thing before I finish stream. I'm gonna create a new class for a platform. And this is going to be a fixed point on the scene as well. So we're gonna have a platform to be class form. XY width. Okay. Nah, I have height. Just wait. Okay, so we need to create a body again. And this is going to be LÖVE physics. New body, and this is gonna have to be fixed at it's gonna be fixed at 5. That was a good approximation of what I wanted to say. New body. And I got stuck, even though it's obvious what I should write. World. Now the x at which we should go, that should be x plus width divided by 2, y plus 5. And it's going to be static, so nothing more. Self shape is going to be rectangular shape. With width and height 10, and fixture of self body and self shape. Plus we want to add self fixture, set user data to self. Okay, the function form draw will be the same as boundary draw, right? Sort of, completely not. It's gonna be self graphics draw polygon fill self copy get points self shape get points, and now we are polygon draw. Required polygon platform. And now objects platform world x graphics gets width divided by 2. Graphics get height minus 100 and width of, let's say 100. Let's see how this is. It's a draw. Why doesn't draw? It's here. Why doesn't draw? Yes. Get world points. Get world points. Shape. Let's get points. Shape. Get points. Oh. Doesn't happen. Get translation. What the hell? Tutorial. Where's the tutorial on physics? When you need it. Physics. Yeah, shape get points. Get points. I don't call draw, do I? Genius. Okay. Here's the platform. Kinda small. Does seem to be working though. I can jump on it. Wait, is it like rotating? What the hell? How can it be right? Looks weird. Let's see. Okay. I guess that's gonna be it for today. So I'm probably not streaming tomorrow. Maybe a bit later than usual, but probably not at all. I am streaming though on Sunday at 10 PM. UTC, starting from 10 p.m. You can find my past broadcasts on Twitch. They are all recorded. I will probably move them to YouTube though. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.